14.1, ecosystems. An ecosystem is a collection of living organisms, and remember, living things we call biotic, and non-living factors, which we call abiotic, in an environment. The type and number of living things in an ecosystem depends on the temperature there, the amount of precipitation they get, the type of soil present. Ecosystems can be really large or really small. A tidal pool, they form on the coast in the beaches along BC and elsewhere in the world, but BC. And they can be really small. They can be the size of your hand or your foot, okay? Or they can be a little bit larger. This is a tidal pool. So it's just water that fills in little bubbles in the rocks. So that could be considered an ecosystem, but so could the ocean, right? So small and large. The biotic and abiotic factors within an ecosystem always interact. The following interactions are required for something to be considered an ecosystem. So living things interact with one another, living things interact with other species, and living things interact with the abiotic factors. So here we can see a tidal pool, and we can see the starfish. So living things interact with one another. Starfish are interacting with one another, right? And then we have living things interact with other species. So we can see sea urchins and starfish, or different types of starfish interacting with one another. We can also see living things interacting with the abiotic factors. So starfish on rocks or starfish in the water. We can see the interaction, therefore this is considered an ecosystem here. Some practice in your textbook, page 275, number 1 and 2.